Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there was a group of animals who lived together in harmony. One day, a new animal named Sammy joined the group. Sammy was a proud and boastful animal who always bragged about his strengths and abilities. Sammy's behavior made the other animals uncomfortable, and they started to distance themselves from him. The wise old owl of the forest noticed this and decided to intervene. The owl took Sammy aside and explained to him that boasting and bragging only leads to loneliness and isolation. The owl suggested that Sammy should show his strengths through his actions instead of words. Sammy realized the error of his ways and decided to change his behavior. He started to help the other animals and showed them his skills through his actions. Soon, the other animals started to appreciate Sammy's strengths and abilities, and he became a valued member of the group. The moral of the story is that boasting and bragging can lead to loneliness and isolation. It is better to show your strength through your actions and be humble. Being kind and helpful to others can help us earn respect and admiration.